The world of technology is abuzz with excitement over large language models, or LLMs. These powerful AI systems are transforming how we interact with computers. Businesses are eager to harness the potential of LLMs to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. AI enthusiasts are captivated by the ability of LLMs to generate human-quality text, opening up exciting possibilities for creative applications. From chatbots that provide instant customer support to AI assistants that help us write code, LLMs are poised to revolutionize numerous industries. As these models continue to evolve, they promise to reshape our digital landscape in profound ways. Understanding the capabilities and limitations of LLMs is essential for anyone looking to navigate the future of technology and harness its transformative power. At their core, large language models are sophisticated computer programs designed to understand and generate human language. Unlike traditional software that relies on explicit instructions, LLMs learn from vast amounts of text data, enabling them to perform a wide range of language-based tasks. Imagine a computer program that can write stories, translate languages, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way, all while sounding remarkably human-like. That's the power of LLMs. These models achieve their remarkable abilities through a combination of advanced algorithms, massive data sets, and computational power. By analyzing and identifying patterns in text, LLMs develop a deep understanding of grammar, syntax, and even the nuances of human communication. This allows them to generate coherent and contextually relevant text, blurring the lines between human and machine-generated content. The magic of LLMs lies in their underlying architecture, artificial neural networks. These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain, consisting of interconnected nodes that process and transmit information. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, takes this concept further by using multiple layers of these interconnected nodes to learn complex patterns from data. Just like humans learn from experience, LLMs learn from data. Training data is the lifeblood of these models, providing the raw material they need to develop their language processing abilities. The more data an LLM is trained on, the better it becomes at understanding and generating human-like text. This data can include books, articles, code, social media posts, and virtually any other form of text. The quality and diversity of training data are crucial for developing robust and unbiased LLMs. The field of LLMs is rapidly evolving, with new models and breakthroughs emerging at an astonishing pace. Among the most well-known and powerful LLMs are GPT-4, Claude, and Llama. Developed by OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta respectively, these models represent the cutting edge of language processing technology. Each model has its strengths and weaknesses, with GPT-4 excelling in creative writing and code generation, Claude known for its factual accuracy and summarization skills, and Llama gaining traction for its open-source nature and accessibility. The competition between these tech giants is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with LLMs. The potential applications of LLMs are vast and varied, spanning across industries and aspects of our daily lives. In customer service, LLMs power chatbots that provide instant support, answer questions, and resolve issues. Content creators leverage LLMs to generate high-quality articles, social media posts, and even scripts for videos. Data analysts use LLMs to extract insights from unstructured data, such as customer reviews and social media conversations. These are just a few examples of how LLMs are transforming the way we work, communicate, and interact with the world around us. As these models continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, further blurring the lines between human and artificial intelligence.